वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल एंड आज की वीडियो जो है दैट इज़ अबाउट वर्ल्ड करंट अफेयर्स जून 2024। सबसे पहले जो मेन इवेंट है जून का वर्ल्ड लेवल पे दैट इज़ T20 वर्ल्ड कप जो कि हुआ था 1 जून से 29 जून तक। और ये वर्ल्ड कप जो है वो 9th एडिशन था। इसकी लोकेशन क्या है, मतलब कौन सी जगह पे ये हुआ था? एक तो वेस्ट इंडीज़ में एंड देन USA। फाइनल विनर कौन था? इंडिया था एंड ये इंडिया का सेकंड टाइम विनिंग था। और रनर अप था श्रीलंका। टोटल टीम्स जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था इंक्लूडिंग पाकिस्तान वो 20 थी। और फाइनल मैच जो हुआ था उसका जो मैन ऑफ द मैच था दैट वाज विराट कोहली। दैट इज़ जस्ट एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ T20 वर्ल्ड कप। इसके लिए हम एक और वीडियो बनाएंगे जिसमें सारी डिटेल्स होंगी जो कि कोई भी MCQ वहाँ से आ सकता है बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। Countries removed from FATF grey list on 28 June 2024 are Jamaica and Turkey. Israel was ordered on 24 May 2024 to halt its military operation in Palestine by International Court of Justice. 3 European nations who on 22nd May 2024 announced their intention to recognize a Palestinian state on 28 May 2024: Norway, Ireland and Spain. Which country cuts diplomatic relations with Israel over Gaza war in May 2024? That would be Colombia. Caliber cruise missile recently seen in the news was developed by Russia. Which country recently joined International Solar Alliance as its 100th member? Paraguay. उसके बाद USA has joined as 101th member. Joined SCO as its 10th member. A Chinese probe, the Change 6 spacecraft, carrying samples of soil and rock from the side of the moon facing away from Earth, returned to Earth on 25 June 2024. The International Criminal Court on 24 June 2024 issued arrest warrants for Russia's dash over strikes on Ukrainian infrastructure that constituted alleged war crimes. किसके खिलाफ अरेस्ट वारंट्स निकले थे? रशिया के आर्मी चीफ एंड एक्स डिफेंस मिनिस्टर। NATO's 32 nations on June 26, 2024 appointed outgoing Dutch PM Mark Rutte as the alliance's next chief. Rutte will take over from Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg on 1 October 2024. इस MCQ में काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन है लाइक नेटो के कितने मेंबर्स हैं? 32। नेटो ने कब जो है ये डिसीजन लिया है कि नेक्स्ट चीफ कौन होगा? 26 जून 2024 को। और किसको नेक्स्ट चीफ बनाएंगे? डच PM मार्क रूट को। और अभी सेक्रेटरी जनरल कौन है? जेंस स्टोलनबर्ग। और मार्क रूट जो है वो कब टेक ओवर करेंगे? 1 अक्टूबर 2024 को। Then which assembly passed a resolution titled Expressing Support for Democracy and Human Rights in Pakistan, which called for a thorough probe in the alleged irregularities in the February 8, 2024 elections? किसने किया है? The US House of Representatives। ठीक है जी। इसके बाद है कि Which country hosted 31st Asian Junior Individual Squash Championship for boys and girls? पाकिस्तान। और कब किया था? 25 से 29 जून 2024 के दरमियान। Which country has decided not to renew its 80-year petrodollar deal with the US? Saudi Arabia. Who has been appointed as the National Security Advisor of India? Ajit Doval. The Space Variable Objects Monitor satellite blasted off on June 22, 2024 On a hilt of mightiest explosion in the universe, it belongs to two countries, China and France. The US Navy's aircraft carrier arrived in South Korea on June 22, 24 for the joint military drill. What is its name? Theodore Roosevelt. And for your information, Theodore Roosevelt was the former president of United States of America. India's new Chief of Army Staff is Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi. He was appointed on 30th June 2024, and the previous Chief of Army Staff of India he was General Manoj Pandey. Named the first wooden satellite, that is Landsat 9. Which country listed Iran's Islamic Revolution Guards Corps as a terrorist entity under the Criminal Code? That is Canada. What is the name of Indo-French mission announced by ISRO to monitor surface temperature and water temperature? It is named as Trishna. Now this MCQ 21 number is very important कि G7 summit जो annual है वो कब और कहाँ पर हुई है. It was held in Italy from 13 जून to 15 जून 2024 और ये जो सेशन था वो 50th सेशन था. समर ओलंपिक्स ये भी काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि कहाँ पर और कब हुआ था. ये अभी हो रहा है. It has started on 26 July to 11 August and in Paris, France. Kazakhstan International Challenge Tournament 2024 was held from 2 to 6 April 2024 and is associated with badminton. Central Asian Volleyball Championship 2024 will be held in Islamabad at the Pakistan Sports Complex from 11 to 17 May 2024. Who won 2024 French Open men's single title? Carlos Alcaraz. अब जो ये MCQ है ये भी काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जो कि एक बार फिर PM बने हैं 9 जून 2024 को, वो कौन सी टाइम बने हैं? थर्ड टाइम बने हैं. और इलेक्शंस कब हुई थी? 19 अप्रैल to 1 June 2024. Which former US astronaut who took the historic Earth-Eyes photo from space over 55 years ago died in a plane crash on 7 June at the age of 90? William Anders. Which country hosted 2024 World Environment Day Global Celebrations? Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. और इसका थीम क्या था वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे का? लैंड रिस्टोरेशन, डिजर्टिफिकेशन एंड ड्रॉट रेजिलियंस. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ADB एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक Masatsugu Asakawa belongs to Japan. Ronex Kipruto, who won 10,000 meter bronze in 2019 World Championship, has been banned for 6 years on 5 June 2024 for doping. He belongs to Kenya. According to WHO, how many people die each year due to air pollution? 6.7 million. Now this is very interesting and important कि मैक्सिको की पहली प्रेसिडेंट वुमेन हुई है, that is Claudia Sheinbaum. DG of International Air Transport Association is Willie Walsh. Currently UNHRC working in how many countries? 135. Which country recently withdrew from OPEC effective on 1st January 2024? Angola. China landed on uncrewed the Chang'e 6 spacecraft on South Pole at Atcan Basin on Dash to retrieve the world's first rock and soil samples from the dark lunar hemisphere. 2nd June 2024. This is again a repeated MCQ कि मैक्सिको की प्रेसिडेंट क्लॉडिया शेनबाम वो कब हुई हैं प्रेसिडेंट? 2nd June 2024. President of International Criminal Court Tomoko Akane belongs to Japan. The Shangri-La Dialogue 2024 was held in Singapore on 31st May 2024 से 2nd June 2024 तक. The 60th session of the subsidiary bodies of UNFCCC will take place from Dash at the World Conference Center, Bonn, Germany, 3 जून से 13 जून 2024 तक. The China-Arab States Cooperation Forum was held in Beijing, China.